What if you could invest now and never worry about money again? Being young has multiple advantages when it comes to becoming rich. You have time on your side and can benefit from lots of investment opportunities to retire early and live your dream life. Hi, Matrix Money Maker here. Today's video is about the best investment to make when you're young. Make sure to subscribe and watch until the end to know which investment will make you rich in the long run. Paying down your debt. The first thing every young person should do before starting any kind of investment is paying off their debt. Whether it is student loans, credit card loans, or car loans, having debt when you are young is not the best thing, and it can be a heavy burden for many people. In fact, even if you make money by investing and your debt is not paid off, it will keep on growing exponentially and become impossible to pay later. For the persons who have massive debt to the point where they don't have anything left after paying for expenses in order to invest, finding a side hustle or a business to make extra income is the way of getting out of that situation. When investing in the stock market, there is a possibility of making money, but there's also a risk of losing the money you invested. So the best decision is to start by paying off all your debt, or at least all your high interest debt, before starting to invest. Consider this example. If you invest money in the stock market and manage to earn 10% return, that 10% return would not be any good if you still have high interest debt, near 10%, because you still would have to pay it off later as debt will grow even higher. Investing in a career. Moreover, the best way to make your way into investing is by earning more income to support your investment goals. Earning more income means investing in a career or in the creation of a business. If you are already working and have nothing left after paying your bills, you should tap into your resources and find a second job or launch a business that will be profitable. Again, how can one invest in the stock market or in any type of investments if he doesn't have the money to do so? At minimum, you should be able to earn enough money to cover your bills and to invest after, even if it is not a lot of money. After all, if you invest $500 each month, it is always better than nothing. For a person who is still not working, the choice of career is something that needs to be considered very carefully. You need to like your area of profession enough to be willing to put in your time and effort every day into it to earn more income. Furthermore, the best investment one can make is investing in itself, especially when you're young. In fact, it is well known that it is the best time to learn a new skill. Investing in yourself is the best investment because having the proper knowledge can set you for life and allows you to have an incredible career. Real estate investing. Buying a home is one of the best investments you can make while you're young. Consider buying a duplex or a triplex so that you can rent rooms, and if you manage to organize yourself well, it can become very profitable, as your mortgage's expenses can be all covered by the rent you will earn. This is one way to start real estate investing. Another way to make real estate investing is by investing into REITs, which are real estate investment trust. A real estate investment trust is a company that owns and in most cases operates income-producing real estate. REITs own many types of commercial real estate, including warehouses, hospitals, commercial forests, shopping centers, offices, apartment buildings, and hotels. It is a great option because real estate is the safest investment, and with REITs, you do not have to worry about managing property because you are the owner along with many other investors. People will always need more housing. Therefore, investing in real estate is sure to make you wealthy. Paying yourself first, or budgeting. The concept of paying yourself first comes from the fact that saving your money alone is not enough. You actually have to get your money to work for you in order to be a rich and wealthy person. The problem is, People spend all their money paying taxes and on various leisure activities and articles before they even think about paying themselves, which is the most important thing to do. It is understandable and is normal for every person to pay their taxes, but in order to get financially independent, the best thing to do, even if you're stuck with a low-paying job, is to always split your income. Splitting your income will allow you to invest, even if it is a little amount of money, into something that brings a lot of value to you over time. It can be investing in a financial way, which will get you money to work for you in order for you to get return on investment. Indeed, by setting investment goals and meeting them consistently, your money will compound and you will be able to amass a large amount of wealth. How much money do you want to invest by your 30s? How much money do you need to invest each month to reach this amount? Those are the types of questions you want to ask yourself, and that will help you meet your financial goals. Moreover, knowing how to budget is one of the things everyone should know to do before investing. Budgeting is as important as earning money. Managing your money is indeed how wealth is built. The first step for any person trying to learn how to budget is to differentiate what are needs and what are wants. Needs are the things which are essential for your living. Things such as food to nourish yourself, or a home to live and to sleep, but also transportation from one point to another. Wants are the things that you crave for, but that you are not necessarily in need. Knowing how to differentiate one from another will allow you to control your money and set saving goals. Budgeting also means classifying the money you earn in a proper way. Setting saving goals is one key point of budgeting and also allows you to pay yourself first. After expenses, the money you have refers to the money saved. The money saved can be put in an emergency fund or also in some form of retirement account. Furthermore, the goal of budgeting is to lower your expenses and your liabilities and focus on your assets, which brings you more money. The more you earn money and the less you spend, the more investments you will make and the more money you will earn in the long run. It is a cycle that must never be broken. Invest in your mental health. People nowadays think that being rich is just about the money, whereas it is mostly about the way of thinking. For this reason, investing in your mindset is the best way to set you for success. Many people don't chase their dreams and tend to always give up when it gets hard. See, that is just the problem as a young person. You have to trust and believe in your dreams in order to achieve it. One of our biggest weapons is our brain. So, you must take control of your brain and make the necessary changes to get where you want to be. The mindset in which you program your brain is going to determine how successful you are going to be and therefore how much money you will make. The big common assets that every rich and successful person owns is their mindset. When you have a goal in life, whether it is financial, spiritual, academic, or physical, you have to commit to it and do whatever it takes to achieve your goal. You have to be serious about it. You must take full responsibility for it. Every day, you have to think about it. And you have to convince yourself that you can make it happen, because if you don't, nobody will. Subscribe and turn on the notification so you don't miss more videos about how to make money, personal finance, investing, and much more. Check out the latest video in order to know how to build generational wealth. Take care.